반갑습니다. 전원주택입니다. 소개해드릴 곳은 화담숲을 품은 뜻밖의 주택 푀르디테입니다. 단지 입구부터 널찍한 도로와 동간거리로 눈길을 끄는 곳이었는데요. 다른 주택단지에서 보기 힘든 차별화된 단지 내 배치로 독립적인 공간을 제공하고 있습니다. 녹지 가득한 숲세권에 위치하면서도 도시가스가 들어오며 상하수도, 개별정화조로 훌륭한 기반시설을 갖추고 있습니다. 2차 단지 10세대가 오픈을 준비하고 있고 향후 전체 약 50세대에 이르는 대단지 주택으로 계획되었습니다. 오늘 보여드릴 샘플하우스는 3층 철근콘크리트 구조로 대지면적 134평, 실내면적 57평을 사용하는 A타입입니다. 이곳은 경기도 광주 도청면에 위치한 곳으로 경강선 초월역과 곤지암역이 차량 10분 거리에 있고 화담숲과 곤지암리조트가 가깝게 있어 다양한 여가를 즐길 수 있습니다.
I never knew when today could be wrong until I found you into the store. I never knew when the night could be sweet until you swept me up from my feet down. The rain sings, the cup smiles. Someone like you. So every day when the alarm blows my ears, I see you slipping on the bars and clears, and every time everything seems to go wrong. You know your voice sounds just like a song. Smiles, it finds me blue with stars. The car got a flat tire, but riding shotgun, I someone like you. Someone like you take something bad, give it a spin and turn it on its head. Someone like you, it's worth like gold. After they made you, they simply broke the mold. The racing sound that crops my sea, it finds me but with style. The car got a flat tire, but riding shotgun, and someone like you.
One, two, three.
I know that I'm well away from being a perfect guy. I can have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard. We had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it up never last. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast for week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. For every morning that I rise and I am showered by your smiles, oh yeah. For every night I got too near, tears dry out, clouds disappear, yeah. For every hour that we share, two explorers of nowhere, oh no. The secret codes in your eyes, the crazy laughter and the cries, oh yeah.